So this is the unboxing for the Metaphysical Cannabis Oracle deck. Marijuana, you know. So here we go. Now, I'm not a fan of marijuana. I mean, I tried it one time. I really wasn't my thing. So, but this looks, I mean, I wish was my thing. But it's kind of not. But I do like watching those movies, like what is it, like those stoner movies, like Cheech and Chong. I think those are funny. And I thought this deck was pretty, so that's why I got it. But let's see what it's about. Look really colorful. Let's see. I like this. Got this little snappy thing. It's nice. Okay. Oh yeah, well I think it's supposed to have what, 78. Well, I'll count it after, but anyway. This thing here. Just got this thing and the book. This looks like a really nice book. It's really pretty. Okay, here we go. DeVry, Freedom. I guess these are not like. Oh, it's an Oracle deck. Okay, it's an Oracle deck. Okay, so this would be my second Oracle deck. I have another one, but okay. Rye, Freedom, Manifester, Creation, the Witch Doctor, Wisdom. Okay. Oh yeah, she's got her doctor dress and everything. Sarunayawa, Sara Uniyaua, Nurture. Okay. Sarki, Stability. Autosinstin, Tradition. I'm messing these up. It's supposed to be like this. Garusar, Autonomy. Hisabi, Accountability. Ancorita, Solitude. Wow, these are really pretty. Really, really pretty. Arsiki Dabaran, Gratitude. I don't know what language is this. What language is this? I don't know. Let's see. Something about the goddess Ashira. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what language this is, but I'm sure it doesn't sound anything like Arziki Darban. I think it's more like Arsiki Dabaran. Arsiki Dabaran, Gratitude. I like Gratitude. It's got like some Egyptian stuff. Sabta, Clarity. Okay. The Hangman. Oh wait. Kadamarwa, Initiation. Iku, Transformation. I guess this might be like considered the star. Ifarda, Healing. Wow, this is so pretty. It's like the Statue of Liberty, but wow. These are so beautiful. Etan, seduction. This is the devil card, I'm assuming. It's got the chains and stuff. The devil isn't really, it's, the devil card is more like being controlled by something else. That, I think for me, that's what the devil card is. Cuz I mean, the devil can't really control anybody unless you allow it to. From what from my point of view. Gogoro, ego death. Oh, the tower. Wow. These are so pretty. These are so beautiful. No, wait, this is the star. Irawo, restoration. No, it's the temperance card. Irawo, restoration. Man, wow, this is so pretty. Osupa, vision. I guess this would be kind of like the chariot card. Maybe, like if it's like a translation. Urun, joy and light. Oh, the sun. It's the sun. Okay. Oh, and instead of a horse, it's like a unicorn. Well, I like this. It's got the pyramids. The sun is smiling. I mean, you don't see the whole thing, the sun, but I can tell it's smiling. Idago, or Idago, karma. Okay, she's an angel with. Those are some interesting angel wings. I wonder if this is the like judgment card. Wait, yeah, where the horns of Gabriel or something, that they're blowing the horns, something like that, and they're waking people up. Ibaye, bliss. Okay. The lion looks a little bit scared here, but Agbaye, bliss. Cloud meditation, look up. Yeah, these are like so tropical and magical. Walking meditation, just go. I don't think I need to do that. Silent retreat, silence. Oh, she's got like the stethoscope on. Yeah, whatever works sometimes when you need quiet and you live in a loud place. Earplugs or something. Creation, solo magic. I don't know. It looks like she's doing a little something, but I don't know. Creation, partnered, sex magic. Okay. But they're not. They don't look like they're having sex or anything. They're not look like they're being sexual, but I'd see. I'll have to figure out what the book says about it. Animal energy channel. Okay. Glamour energy, glamorous, with her pink champagne or something. Future love letter, I love you. Oh, self-love. That'd be a good idea to do. Just write something. Yeah, that's just a great idea. I should do that. Write myself a love letter. Food meditation, I can. Food meditation. I try to forget there's food. That's what I like to do. Food meditation. So pretty, colorful. Dance portal, let go. Yeah, I definitely like to do some of this. Gratitude rampage. It's already happened. Yep. I like this. Oh, and she's got her weed thing there. Spirit act. love this card. So, looks like the jungle and looks kind of like a banana tree. Alchemy choices. There's choices, and then alchemy. I think it's about changing things. Wizard balance. it's got the joint right there. But this ain't well. I don't know. Looks a little off balance, but still balanced. Hermetic create. Okay, looks like they're making some sort of weed food or something. Abracadabra. Connect with the weed. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe that weed experience. Maybe there's like so many different varieties of weed or something. Maybe I should have smoked a different type. I don't know. Conjuring legacy. Okay. But I don't really need weed. I'm pretty happy the way I am. Equalizer. Highest self. Is this like a weed lollipop? Okay. Which metaverse? Metaverse. Okay. So pretty. Magic alignment. Looks like a party or something. Party atmosphere. Well, with the confetti and stuff. Looks like confetti. But then it looks like some, like crafting or something. Enchantment celebration. Okay. Sorcery revolution. Breathalyzer? Is this a weed thing? Like you just do it through the breathalyzer, and you got weed like that? Oh, I don't know that they have like weed breathalyzers or something. Okay. Oshun, justice. No, Oshun is like a goddess of some sort. Yemaya, resurrection. Yeah, this is like where I come from. They have these where I was born and raised. There, these banana leaf bottoms and stuff. Oh yeah, protection. Bull. Nana Buruku essence. Looks very serious. But like a security, like like this lady. It looks like somebody that I'd like to have as a friend. Somebody who, secure, have your back, things like that. Mami Wata, memory. Oh yeah, because water does have memory. Looks like a strange tail end. Mami Wata. Erzulie. Pay attention. Erzuli, pay attention. Looks like a little blurry somehow. I mean, it's meant to be like that, but still pretty. So rich in colors. Orun Mila, great diviner. What is this one? Oh, Susi, nature. Look at these little eggs or something floating in the back. Yeah, I guess maybe most of these cards have like fruit. Santa Muerte offering. This wow. This doesn't give me. I mean, I don't know. Santa Muerte. I mean, everything has its good and bad. Okay. Yewa. Guidance. Yeah, this got some corpses and some skulls in here. Osanyin. Grace. Okay, look, he's missing an arm. And he's got a bow, so I don't. How's he? Who knows how he deals with a bow and balance, chaos. Interesting. Bliss, trust. Yeah, I guess trust is part of bliss because you have to. If you're gonna be in bliss, you don't have to. You're not worried about anything else. You're just in bliss. Trust and you trust. Crystal technology, silicone. Yeah. Oh, and it's got a little baby in there. Truth, aura, aura. Codes in nature, miracles. Yeah. Oh, this one's got like a little bit of a blurry image as well. I guess whenever that weed incident thing happened, things were kind of a little blurry. Okay, it was so long ago. Unconditional love, blueprint. It's a very beautiful heart, very interesting, like part of a flower. Higher perception, passion. Okay. Well, I know the eyes are the windows to the soul or something like that. Universal oneness, transcend. Oh, and it's got the figure 8 inside of the skull. Okay. Yeah, the infinity. Gateway, vision. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. I used to have a dog kind of look like this one. Divine feminine, the void. The void. Yep, the void. It's a nice place to be. I get there through like breathing and stuff. Intergalactic mastery, confirmation. Intergalactic mastery, confirmation. Yeah, it looks like the pyramids of Giza or something with in some sort of like goopy, yummy stuff. Omo oloring sing. Yeah, I like doing that for sure. Hood love, community. Like the what is it? Those are called brass knuckles or something. Yeah, I'm sure some of my neighbors do that stuff, but I don't know. It's fun if they do. I'd rather them be happy than than upset. Thrive, briety, thrive, briety, tolerance. Tolerance. Okay. Duro ile. Compassion. He's got snakes over him. I think those are snakes. Compassion. Yeah, snakes. Snakes. I used to be very scared of snakes. Now I wish I could see more because I know that they're good. They're actually magical. Duro ile. Compassion. Lantarkimace. Lantarkimase. Peace. Peace. Look at the little kitty cat right here. So cute. Just one card. Ranarudu. Loyalty. Yeah. Black puppy. Yeah, remember mine. Angel. Guanijimai. Sexuality. Yeah, it's pretty sexy outfit. Guanijimai. Oh, and the dolphins and yeah, that's kind of hot. Yeah. Ubu Aljana. Beyond. Aww. So are they both angels? Oh, is it an angel? Is it three? Is it them two and the angel? Oh, it's kind of confusing. It's interesting. It's like one of those questions that was it the chicken or the egg that came first? You know, one of those questions that you just never know. They have the weed. They were smoking, so they're happy. Omo family. Oh, the family in the afterlife or something, maybe? Or is it the family in the future? Because they're looking in the mirror. I don't know. Yemota starseed. It's a very long fishtail. Nomo change. Okay. Mabudi key. The key, marijuana is the key. Yeah, this is so pretty. This is so. I mean, they may be like oracle cards, but some of the cards kind of look like tarot, like the temperance and. Yeah, these are beautiful. I like the back. I like the cards. It's just like I love the colors. Like really colorful stuff. Here's the guidebook, and I don't know if it says it says Sanskrit word for bliss is Ananda. Okay, and if you say it, okay, something about that our body produces something similar to what weed does. Yeah, this is really nice. I don't know. I think it's a beautiful. Well, I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen a real weed plant. I mean, it's supposed to be a weed that grows, but yeah, it's a plant creation, and I've always thought it should be, even though I don't smoke it. I don't know. I think it's a good thing. Yeah, that's the deck.